Hi, this is Lev Mills, associate broker with Keller Williams Realty and managing broker of Mills Elite Homes. Just wanted to show you a quick video tour of 9255 Cedar Ridge Drive in Covington. You have a nice, quiet community here, and this is a duplex. This is one of the apartments in the duplex, which is 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So just wanted to give you a brief tour of the property. Okay. So you can see there's parking in the back. There's a good sized yard. All right, and you enter into the kitchen. We have fridge. You have electric, stove, oven. You have your sink area. In here we have washer and dryer connections in the kitchen. It's a nice little laundry closet. Okay, and then you have your little dining area here. This is like a little pantry in here. You have your furnace and water heater in here. This is the living room area in here. And you have 2 bedrooms, 2 nice sized bedrooms. As you can see, this apartment was recently renovated. And you also have a nice sized closet. Okay. Then you have a bathroom here. You got your vanity and tub shower. Then you have bedroom number 2. And there are 2 closets here. Okay. And this is 9255 Cedar Ridge Drive, Northwest Covington, Unit B. It is available for lease right now. And you can give me a call at 678-590-5999 for more details, application link, and the application process. I can give you more details about the lease terms and things of that nature. All right, I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a fantastic day.